This is your weekly overview video for the week of March 29th through April 1st. Again, this is a 4-day week. And last week we know that we were introduced to some of those native Indian tribes from Florida. And we said that this week we were going to continue learning a little bit more about each of those tribes. So we're actually going to continue on this week and the following week. This week we're going to read to learn a little bit more, take a few notes on each of these tribes, and then next week we're going to compare and contrast two of the tribes. So let's jump into Monday. On Monday, you're going to learn a little bit more about the Indian tribe called the Calusa. So the Calusa Indians, they were also known as the Shell Indians. There's a video that you're going to watch here. In this video, I go through and I model reading aloud the article for you and just kind of annotating the text just like we do in reading and writing. And then you have 3 multiple choice questions that you're going to respond to. So you can open up the text. It's located right here and you can follow along. If you are able to print this text, that'll help you tremendously as we are going to be using some of these for a project next week. And again, here are the 3 questions. They're multiple choice. And on Tuesday, it's going to follow a very similar, almost the exact same layout. On Tuesday, though, we're going to learn about a different tribe, the Timucua. And after that, you have 3 questions, just like yesterday. However, Tuesday, I am not going to go through and read the article for you. I'm depending on you to pull up or print this article and go through and read it and annotate and code the text, just like we did in that video together. On Wednesday, you're going to be introduced to the 3rd tribe called the Tocobaga, and then you have, just like before, 3 multiple choice questions. So again, it's following almost the same format each day. The articles are very similar in length. Each article will talk about like where the tribe was located. The article will mention the foods that they ate, whether they were really fishermen or hunters. Most of these tribes actually did both. Sometimes it'll mention like the clothing that they would wear and how they built their homes. And then finally at the end it talks about like what caused this tribe or like typically to die off or decrease in population or what happened to them. So very similar topics in each of these articles. On Thursday, you're going to learn about the Tequesta Indians, and you have 3 multiple choice questions after you read through the article. And again, the following week, you will learn about one additional tribe called the Apalachee, and then we're going to start our project. So you'll have plenty of time to work on that. But if you guys have any questions about this week and these articles or any of the questions that you're responding to, please let me know. I plan to discuss some of these each day in our morning meeting. So please make sure that you are taking your time, you're coding the text, underlining important and key information, and taking some notes in the margin. All right, let me know if you have any questions.